Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the northwestern district of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northeastern Arlington County in northern Virginia until 7:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over American University, or near Bethesda, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Bethesda, Rossland, Howard University, Kemp Mill, Chevy Chase, Forest Glen, Martin's Additions, North Chevy Chase, American University, Friendship Village, Georgetown, Adams Morgan, Silver Spring, Chevy Chase Village, Somerset, Chevy Chase Section 3, Chevy Chase Section 5, Rock Creek, and the
This is what it gave me.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Anne Arundel County is canceled.